Let's move on now. And Kenya's embattled Auditor General Edward Ouko maintains he will not leave office despite the petition filed against him at the National Assembly. He has also defended his decision to file a legal suit challenging the petition seeking his removal from office, saying the parliamentary process was unfair and borders on a witch hunt.
The Auditor General Edward Ouko says he is innocent and that allegations leveled against him for abuse of office and willful failure to comply with procurement laws are false and malicious.
The issue of stepping aside, the investigation has been done. The DPP has cleared me. So I don't know, stepping aside, this is a judicial process. This is not an investigation.
I tend to get the feeling that
Lawyer Emmanuel Mwagambo wants Ouko removed from office after he personally authorized payment of 100.6 million shillings for the purchase of the Audit Vault software. The petitioner says that 6 million shillings of the money went to a company known as Western Africa UK, a firm associated with the Auditor General through one Mr. Ochieng Oduol. The auditor denies the claims and has filed a defamation case against Mwagambo.
I do not know Ochieng Oduol. I have not dealt with Ochieng Oduol as a person in any business contact. I do not know even this company, Western, and that's why I'm extremely hurt about this allegation.
On Tuesday, the High Court issued conservatory orders stopping the National Assembly's Departmental Committee on Finance, Trade and Planning from hearing the petition seeking Ouko's removal. Speaker of the National Assembly, Justin Muturi, had promised to make a ruling on the matter Thursday, but deferred it to Tuesday next week.
If the National Assembly decides to ignore the court order, then it would proceed with the hearings, but everything it does will be null and void. Because at the end of it, the court then will declare that the process had been stopped and every effort, every money, every time will have been wasted.
Leader of Majority in the National Assembly, Aden Duale, on Tuesday castigated the judiciary for failing to respect the doctrine of separation of powers when it barred Parliament from hearing the petition to remove Ouko from office.
Parliament or the parliamentary committee is not making law. It is acting as a tribunal, an investigative tribunal. When it does that, it is inferior to the High Court, and the High Court can interfere with it at any time, which is why Parliament was able to overrule the Senate on the question of removal of Governor Wambora.
The Auditor General, dismissed as false, claims that the purchase and installation cost of the Audit Vault software should have been 18 million shillings. Ouko says the contract sum of 100.6 million shillings was paid after signing of the contract.
This system was to facilitate my office to be able to, in a real-time manner, see the transactions which are going through IFMIS. And as you know, IFMIS is where the platform which all the accounting for national as well as county accounts are done. And therefore, this would allow me to detect any malpractice within the national and county governments.
Patrick Amimo, KTN News.